Hey guys, this is Malinki. Welcome back to my channel, Voice of Malinki. Today we will talk about larval stages of Fasciola. And if you are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel. And if you like my video, please do like, comment and share my video. So in our last video, we have talked about Fasciola life cycle, and we have seen that Fasciola has different larval stages, right? So today we will talk about them in detail. So first one is the Miracidium larva. So this is the fourth larval stage, and it is small free swimming larva, and it hatches from the egg in fresh water, and it penetrates a suitable snail host. So in this picture we have seen that Miracidia is the first larval stage, and it gets hatched from the egg in the water, and this infects snail, right? So this is Miracidia. Okay. Next is sporocyst. So before talking about sporocyst, we will see the structure of Miracidia larva. So this is the Miracidia larva. Here is the structure. Here is the cilia. Those are found in the surface of this larva, and then it has the epidermal plate. So this is the structure. This is the plate beneath the cilia. So this is epidermal plate, and then beneath epidermal plate there is the muscle layer. So this is the muscle layer. This red one is the muscle layer, and then it has this gland, apical gland. This gland is present in the topmost position of the larva. This is apical gland, and then it has two eye spots. Then here it is the flame cell, that is the basically excretory organ, and then it has germ cells. So this is all about Miracidium larva. Okay, next is sporocyst. So inside the snail, the Miracidium develops into a sporocyst. So once Miracidium infects the snail, it gets developed into sporocyst, and that is happening inside the snail's body. So this is the sporocyst larva. Again, the outermost surface is called cuticle, and beneath the cuticle it is the muscle. And here is the flame cell, that is the excretory organ. Here are some germ cells. So this is sporocyst, and you can see that the next larval stage, that is radia, it is getting formed inside the sporocyst. Okay, so next stage is radia. So the sporocyst gives rise to radia, which are sac-like structures. So you can see that radia is developed inside the body of sporocyst, and this is the radia that has the sac-like structure. It is its mouth, and here is the cuticle, that is the outermost surface, and here is the pharynx, and here is the gut. So this is the digestive system, and then it has protonephridia for excretion purpose, and then it is the Cercaria larvae that actually is developed inside the body of radia, and here are some germ cells. Okay, so next stage is Cercaria. So Cercaria develops inside the radia we have seen, and it has tadpole-like structure, and it leaves the snail and swim in water. So here is the Cercaria. It has the tadpole-like structure you can see, and it gets developed inside the radia, and it leaves snail, and it comes in water. So it has a mouth, then it has the oral sucker, then it is the pharynx, then esophagus, then gut. So this is the digestive system. Here flame cells are there, which are their excretory organs. Then it is the acetabulum, and here are the germ cells, and this is the tail. This is tadpole-like structure. Okay, so this is Cercaria, and it swims in water. So here we have seen that Cercaria, they leave the snail and swim freely in water. And next structure is um, metacercaria. So cercaria lose their tails and get enclosed in a cyst now called metacercaria. So basically, this is the cercaria which is developed into metacercaria. It loses its tail, and here is the cyst that is formed outside the larva. And here again is the mouth, it is the oral sucker, then intestine. Here is the acetabulum, and here are few flame cells or protonephridia used for excretion, and then it is the excretory bladder. Here is the genital rudiment. So this is the structure of metacercaria, and they are the infective stage for the definite host, that is either sheep or cattle or goat or human, when they are ingested. So basically, metacercaria survive in the aquatic vegetation, and since they have the cyst-like structure, it is very much hard. So cyst gives them protection. So then metacercaria infects the primary host. So that we have seen in our previous lecture. So here are 5 larval stages of Fasciola. So this is all about today's lecture. I hope you liked the lecture. Thank you for watching my video.